Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning. I'm Farhan Firza Pratama. Everyone calls me Farhan. I want to tell about my impression in after TC. Actually, in new concept. In new concept, I get a new vocab, a new story about like put off, firefighter, something like that. My impression in TC, yeah, so good and as well. In TC, I do a new vocab, a new lesson, and a new friends about the actually in new concepts. In new concept, I get a new vocab, a new lesson, and I'm so confused about my impression in TC. In TC, I have, in TC, every day and every time when I enter the class, actually in new concept, I get a new concept and good lesson. Something like December vocab, right? And vocabulary, and something like that. May I borrow your pen? May I borrow your phone? I open ChatGPT. And can you open up?
There is no tissue again.
Can you open ChatGPT? And my impression in TC, and what an impression in TC.
Publish.
And during TC, I try to create a strong and positive impression by speaking clearly, organizing my thought before answer, and showing that I was genuinely engaged in the conversation. I make sure to maintain a calm tone, listen essentially to every question, and respond thoughtfully to demonstrate that I understood the topic well. I also tried to show confidence through my posture and choice of words because I wanted the viewers to see that I was serious and prepared and capable. I'm so comfortable in during in TC. And every thought, I was nervous at first. I continued to focus on giving the best impression possible, hoping that they would remember me as someone impossible, respectful, and eager to learn.
Why don't it in cannot because close our eye dulu, right?
And during I in DC, I essentially focus on creating the best impression possible by showing not only my communication skills but also my attitude, professionalism, and deadlines to learn. From the moment the session began, I made an effort to speak clearly and politely, making sure that every word I said reflected confidence and respect. I organized my talk carefully before answering each question because I want the interview to see that I was thoughtful, responsible, and capable. And uh, and two in TC, yeah, every time I always late and often not attend the class, but I try to be better so that my speech make the great and good the better. And during the TC, I made a deliberate and continuous effort to create a strong, positive, and lasting impressions by demonstrating not only my communications abilities but also my character, mindsets, and readiness to improve. From the very beginning of the session, I remind myself to stay calm and comfortable, so I could express my ideas clearly and respectfully. I paid close attention to the way I spoke, my tone, pace, and choice of words, because I want to do so that I could communicate professionally while still sounds natural and confident. I also took the time to listen carefully to each question before answering, making sure that my response were thoughtful and by doing this, I hope after I'm from DC, actually in new concept, I can speak English very well and make me to be better, to improve my skill, to in the world I can to adaptation with my with my new friends, new partners, new manager in the department. I can to speak English as well. About doing this, I hope the interview will see that I was not just speaking for the sake of answering, but try to understand and thinking critically. Yeah, I know everyone want to be better, want to be successful, but the road to success is not easy. And I tried and tried to control my emotions and remain steady because I knew that confidence is sounds not only perfect answers, but also in how someone manages pressure. I wanted to show that I'm open-minded, willing to learn, and able to adapt to different situations. Moreover, I try to present myself as someone who is responsible, humble, excellent, and genuinely interested in opportunity. I ask questions when appropriate, participate actively, and express appreciation for the chance to speak. And during MTC, I get a new vocabs, new story about before I work. I want to be better, but I want to be better when I want to be better. When I study new concept, I get new vocab, I get new conversation, I get new story to improve my skill. And and what again? And after in TC,
Assalamualaikum
and during in TC, I made a consistent, intentional effort to create a song, professional and memorable impression. From the moment the session began, I remind myself to stay calm and confident of could present my ideas clearly and respectfully. I greet the interviewers politely, maintain a positive facial expression, and use a steady tone of voice to show that I was taking the opportunity seriously. Before answering each question, I took a brief moment to organize my thoughts because I want every response. I want to be respond. I want to make my responsibility to do in responsibility, and I keep this my responsibility because during TC I can speak English very well. I can speak English very well with my friends, with my family, with my brother, with my sister. I can speak English very well because during I'm in TC, I study hard and often practice. Yeah, I know my speech so bad, but I want to be improved with my English so that I can speak English very well. Maybe this all from me from my during in this after this in TC. So in lesson new concept, I can speak English very well. I'm Farhan. Thank you very much. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.